Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your family law practice with Latham and Watkins, full guide step by step clearly. To effectively scale your family law practice, start by assessing your current offerings and market position. Identify areas within your practice that can be expanded or improved. Conduct market research to understand the specific needs of your target audience. Utilize data analytics to gauge the demand for family law services in your area. Implement effective marketing strategies to reach potential clients who need family law assistance. Create a robust online presence through a professional website that showcases your services. Optimize your website for search engines to increase visibility and attract organic traffic. Consider content marketing by creating informative blog posts on family law topics relevant to your audience. Leverage social media platforms to engage with potential clients and share valuable insights. Network with other professionals in related fields, such as therapists or financial advisors. Join local community events or organizations to raise awareness of your practice. Offer free consultations to attract new clients and demonstrate your expertise. Enhance your client onboarding process to ensure a smooth transition for new clients. Implement client management software to streamline your operations and improve efficiency. Train your staff to provide exceptional client service, fostering trust and retention. Explore partnerships with other law firms or attorneys for referral opportunities. Consider diversifying your service offerings to include mediation or collaborative law options. Regularly seek feedback from clients to improve your services and address any concerns. Stay updated on changes in family law legislation to maintain your knowledge base and credibility. Join professional associations for family law practitioners to access resources and support networks. Invest in continuous education and training for yourself and your staff to stay competitive. Monitor your practice's financial health to ensure sustainability and growth. Set clear goals for scaling your practice, such as increasing client acquisition rates or expanding your team. Develop a long-term business plan that outlines your vision for growth and scalability. Leverage technology, such as case management and billing software, to enhance productivity. Evaluate your practice's marketing performance and adjust strategies as needed. Finally, foster a culture of innovation within your team to continuously find ways to improve and grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.